Hey there, want to forward calls from your iPhone to another SIM card or device? You've come to the right place. Setting up call forwarding on your iPhone is super simple and quick. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Keep scrolling down until you find the Phone app. After that, scroll down a bit more. Tap on Call Forwarding. This might take a moment to load. Once you're on this page, turn off the toggle switch. Now turn it back on again. You should see an option called Forward To. Enter the phone number where you want your calls to be forwarded. After that, tap back. After a few seconds, you'll notice that the number has been added to your call forwarding list. Now quickly do the following. Open Settings again, tap on Apple ID, scroll down and tap iCloud. Tap See All Right next to save to iCloud. Find the phone app in the list. Make sure it's turned on. If it's already on, turn it off and then turn it back on again. And that's it. Your calls will now be forwarded to the number you set up. If you have any questions or need more help, just drop a comment below.